Here I have ZTE Blade V10 Vita, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number and serial number of this device. So first method, you have to open your phone application, open keyboard on it, and enter the secret code, which is *#06#. Here you can see your IMEI 1, IMEI 2, and the second method, you have to open settings, then go to the system section, about phone, and here you have your IMEI 1, IMEI 2, and in model you have your serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.